Hi there, students. Flaccid, flaccid, an adjective. Flaccidly, the adverb. And I think probably flaccidity, the noun of the quality, but I think that's quite unusual. Okay, if something is flaccid, it's soft, it's hanging down, it's limp. Yeah, particularly part of the body. Yeah, it lacks firmness. So I never work out. Look at my flaccid muscles. Yeah, and this is the idea of flaccid. I think also, yeah, the male organ can be flaccid. Yeah, okay, it's soft, hanging down. It doesn't have anything to make it hard. It's loose, it's flabby, it's yielding. She gave me her flaccid hand, soft, limp, loose, slack, not firm, hanging down, not stiff, not rigid. Yeah, lacking the normal youthfulness or normal vigor. Yeah, a plant can look flaccid. Yeah, when my plants look flaccid, they start to droop. Then I give them water. It's the sign that they need water. And then you can use this metaphorically as well, to say something without strength, without force. So he's a very weak, ineffectual, flaccid leader. The team's performance was very flaccid this week, and that's why they lost. I picked up her wrist and it was limp. Yeah, it was flaccid, it was hanging down. It's unpleasantly soft. Yeah. Okay, so I guess you could look at my stomach. My stomach's probably flaccid as well, hanging down in loose folds, in wrinkles. Yeah, so flaccid. Yeah, my flaccid biceps. Yeah, his jowls, the bit here, are flaccid, hanging down, lacking force, or rather weak. But I think probably you'll find this more useful metaphorically. A flaccid performance, a very flaccid defense. Okay, so yeah, it's just weak and ineffectual and doesn't really work. Doesn't have any energy, any life, any vigor to it. Then flaccid. Okay, formality. I'm going to give this, I think, a 6.5 in formality. It sounds rather literary. Yeah. So I wouldn't use it informally. I think use it semi-formal, conversational writing, or something more formal. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin flaccidus, meaning hanging down, pendulous, weak, feeble, languid. Yeah, from flaceo, flaceo, to be flabby or flaccid. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Flaccid.